All right, so we've got, let's see here, Ninja Turtle. We've got some bean bags. We've got, I'm looking for puppets. Let's see here, more Beanie Baby type things. There's a Minnie Mouse back there. Let's make this methodical. Let's see here, what do we got? We've got a, let's see, some Beanie Baby type stuff. I don't know if they're gonna, I'm gonna find, whoops. We'll get that in a second. I'm not sure if we're going to find anything here. What do we got here? Hey, this is that same die I saw. This is a different thrift store, but we've got the same type of item there. Yikes. And let's see here. Anything there? Oh boy. We're still looking for Scooby-Doo. And anything that can be either turned into a puppet or is a puppet. So let's see here. Oh, there's some Chick-fil-A. There's a Blue's Clues. There's a lot of stuff in these bags here. Okay, there's a Winnie the Pooh there. Is that Peppa Pig? No, that's some other thing there. These things just keep falling right off here. There's a Mr. Potato Head. Alright, let's see here. See a Snoopy back there. Again, puppety stuff. Anything puppety? No. Down here, let's see. No. Let's see what this is. That's some weird deal there. Again, let me know if you see anything. Boy, I'm causing havoc in here. You see anything interesting for next time that you think, oh, hey, you should probably get that. Then I'll know for next time. Looks like some like weird shrunken apple head there. Let's see, what do we got? Let's see. Don't see anything there. Nothing puppety. Alright, well, let's see here. Ooh, there's a, hang on a second here. Get this out of the way for a second. What is that? No. Tie Beanie Babies. This is an Elmo. Elmo right there. That's a weird looking Elmo. Yeah, he's got an open mouth. There's an Elmo. Let's see what we got here. That's a creative looking, interesting character there. Again, don't know what it is. Let's come up here. I don't know that I'm finding any puppets in these areas. These look like they're little small deals there. We're starting again. That's Scooby-Doo. There's Snoopy. There's a, you know, I could go for these little guys here too. There's like a, what's that? A Care Bear. I'm spoiled for choice here. All right. What do we got? A snake and another animal. We've got, looks like that ogre. Oh, there's Pooh in that bag. Well, we got Pooh in there. All right, what do we got? Some bean bags here. More bean bags there. I'm heading my way down towards the toy section. And yes, I will go back afterwards and pick up all the things that keep falling off the shelf when I go to them there. There's some beanbag. There's a hand emoji, maybe. Let's see what is. Some more bean bags. There's a bee and a flower. We're working our way towards the toys. So let's see here. So happiness is. Okay, it's getting popular now. I think we're getting. Let's see what else we got here. Nothing yet. There's Snoopy and a microphone. There's a Pikachu. Let's see here. Some Smurfs. Big Smurf. There's Papa Smurf. Anything in there? Nothing in there. Some big blocks there. Okay, so we've got Pluto. We've got, what's in this one? Mickey. Donald. Wow, we got a whole cast of characters in this one. This is a... I don't collect the Disney stuff. No mess in there.